And more caviar. So I've got caviar in different sizes. So I was thinking I wanted to do either for my Bridgerton Manny or for my Met Gala Manny. These. Let's get the other stuff out. So these are all my flakies and my shards. Not all of them. These are some of them. Some of my flakies and my shards. But I have these gorgeous things. Random press on. All right. These are actual like rhinestones with settings and everything. So I was thinking I would make a really pretty like necklace or something. Either for the Met Gala or for my Bridgerton Manny. But they have the settings, they have the little prongs. I've got like horse eye shape, rectangle, trapezoid, teardrop, more horseshoe. Like I just kind of went nuts when I bought these. And I still haven't used them. Ugh, which is idiotic. I don't know. So these are really cool. But I feel like they have to be either on like a really short nail. Like I could do that with the butterfly. They need to be on kind of a short nail. Either a nude, like maybe Alluring Maidens. Could do it over Moonstone. Could do it over Shine Bright. Maybe Moonstone and Shine Bright. And then like rhinestones. So you guys think about it. Let me know in the chat here or let me know in the actual event here what you guys think of doing rhinestones next week. Rhinestones or flakies, or kind of tell me what you guys would like to see. Because I love teaching and I love showing off just different things. So that's your job for the week, is to figure out what you guys want to see. Let me know. I've got pearls too. So we could even make like a diamond and pearl necklace. That might be fun. So think about it. Let me know. We can have lots of fun. Let me find my cuticle oil so we can see this beautiful Manny finished up with our delicious cuticle oils, which I am almost out of lemonade stand. So I need more of that. Oh man. You know what we could have done, guys? I just found my mold. I just found my mold that had like the 3D butterflies. We could have made a 3D butterfly. Dang it. Rude. Forgot I had pulled that out to play with. But yeah, could have made 3D butterflies. Oh well, it's not the worst. At least the white outlining helped. All right, I will send over a few of my favorites, and maybe my assignment this week, I can like play around with settings and like building necklaces and stuff and taking pictures. I can play around with that. I can put down like a little thing of double-sided sticky tape and like build little designs. And we'll play around with that. Because I would say that's the hardest thing for me about like complicated rhinestone designs, is deciding how to place them ahead of time, because you can't really move them around too much. So no, sorry I missed you, Miranda. Or maybe you're still here. Hi, Miranda. Thanks for popping in. Yeah, doing a pink Manny. Finished it up. It's Lift Your Spirit Dips. We used Butterfly Effect over Shine Bright, which is this stunning white with silver / white reflect glitters. Gorgeous. And it glows. All right, guys. Thanks for stopping in, everybody. I hope everyone has a fabulous Friday and a good weekend. I will catch everybody later. I appreciate you. And I'll see you next week. Now, YouTube is always the weird one to try to close.